How to use the magnifier on your phone. When it comes to reading any text, magnifier can be useful for anyone who's visually impaired. Here's how you can activate this feature on an iPhone. Go to Settings, select General, then Accessibility. In the menu, select Magnifier and turn it on. Triple-click the Home button and you'll now be able to use the phone's camera like a magnifying glass. Use the slider to change the level of magnification. You can also change the colours displayed on screen, which could make your reading experience more comfortable. Most Android smartphones also have a magnifier feature, although each Android device might be slightly different. Here we're using a Samsung A5. Go to Apps, Settings, and scroll down to Accessibility. Select Vision, then scroll down to Magnification Gestures and switch it on. Now, when you open the camera, triple tap the screen and the magnification function will turn on. That's how you can use the magnification feature on your iPhone or Android device.